Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is uh, copy the text that appears on the right side of your header and put it in a text widget inside the header right widget area.
Okay. So that was just done through the appearance or through the, yeah, I think it's the appearance tab. Um,
Are you
Header, yeah.
are you wondering
That's
about
where
this
I
logo?
wrote that.
Yeah, that is at appearance and header.
Right.
When you rewatch this video and try to recreate the steps on your own, if you have any questions,
Mm-hmm.
you just ask me and then I'll make it clear. I will clarify them for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so what I've done now is I've placed a text widget inside header right widget area, and then I've pasted your text that should appear on the right side of the header. Okay.
Oh, yeah,
So
that's
this,
nice.
yeah, this header right is a built-in widget area in Genesis, which is nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, as you can see, it doesn't look all that good because even though the text appears, it is kind of squished to the top.
Right.
So let's use some CSS to style it so that it looks close to the live site.
Sure. It's like a wall of text.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the site header widget area. Okay, I'm gonna grab that CSS selector, and this is the text inside the text widget or widget. So I'll just go to style.css in my browser, go all the way to the end. So what I'm doing now is I'm basically writing some CSS in the browser, and once I'm
Mm,
happy with it, I'm gonna copy it into the style.css of the child theme.
right.
Okay, so let's see what are the styles that are used for here for this. Font size of 27 pixels. Okay. Width of 600 pixels. And yeah, it is right aligned. Okay.
Yep.
I think that looks good enough. Okay, so again, I'm going to the section above the media queries. I'm pasting in the CSS.